Welcome back, YouTube friends. Today we're talking paint again because paint is really our #1 request. Different paint selections, paint colors. You guys are absolutely loving our other paint videos, so go back and watch those. And we have our top 3 favorites: whites, blacks, browns, grays, greens, blues, all of those. But today I'm gonna share with you my design firm's top 5 favorite neutral paint colors. Okay, so top 5 of my favorite neutral paint colors. So all of these are more in the lighter saturations, and these are neutral, so when you walk around, it just feels light and fresh. So the first one, you guys have heard me talk about this one, is Sherwin-Williams Pure White. This is what my entire house is painted. This is my #1 go-to for whites, my personal favorite. And the reason we like this is one of our top neutrals is because it just immediately gives that bright, fresh look that everybody is asking for right now. This is my personal favorite white. My second favorite neutral paint color is Sherwin-Williams Accessible Beige. This is such a beautiful beige color. It's just enough to where it doesn't feel outdated like a lot of the beige colors of the 80s, 90s, and even early 2000s, which have a lot of yellow, even kind of red and orange undertones. This is just a very, very light, subtle beige color. And I love doing this. So this is a full saturation of Accessible Beige. I love doing this in like 75% saturation or even 50% saturation, where you walk in and you have those light, fresh walls, but it's just a little kind of kiss of color. My third favorite is Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. This is our absolute go-to paint color across the board. And the reason that I love this for one of our neutral paint colors is, as far as a gray, it's really, really neutral, but it also pairs really well if you have a house that already has a lot of browns in it and you're trying to move more towards the gray. This is a great kind of mid-tone color that satisfies the grays and the beiges. So Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray, one of our all-time favorite neutral paint colors. My #4 favorite neutral paint color, this is called Sherwin-Williams Sea Salt. It's so neutral, but it has just like the slightest bit of a green undertone. I really love proposing this to people who are like, okay, Brett, I want like a little bit of color, but I'm also really afraid of color. So this is one of my go-tos because it's just so slight and so nuanced, and it's just a really beautiful, neutral kind of shade of green. All right, my #5 favorite neutral paint color is Sherwin-Williams Contented. Now, this is a green paint color, but if you have ever worked with my firm or you ever will work with my firm, you will hear us say all the time that we believe that green is a neutral. If you look outside your window, it's all over. So it is a neutral color for sure. And this one has just a little more saturation than that sea salt, but it really is just a bright, fresh color that you can use throughout your home, even if you really are afraid of color. All right, so those are my top 5 favorite neutral paint colors. We use these just across the board, and they really pair well with any other kind of bold pop of color that you want to put next to them, with any type of furnishings that you want to put next to them. Friends, make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, turn the little ticker bell ring on so that every time we put new videos, you are notified, and I will see you next week.